Hello everyone, welcome to this Python on Pandas tutorial series. My name is Raja Ramesh, and in this series we will start from the absolute basics and go to all the way to handling real world datasets. Are you ready to master Python and Pandas? Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to level up your data handling skills, then this course is just designed for you. Let us see what is Python and why we learn it. If you are new to programming, then Python is a beginner friendly programming language. Whatever the area in IT you pick, like data analysis, automation, web development, and AI, Python is widely used in all of these areas. If you are working with data using Pandas and NumPy, then Python is one of the essential programming language to learn. So Python is a must learn language if you want to work with data efficiently. And in this course, we will focus on using Python for data handling that makes you job ready. What can we expect from this course? In this course, we will cover from Python basics, in which we will discuss about syntax, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming concepts in Python. And then we go for data structures. In that, we cover about lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets in Python. And next, we cover pandas for data analysis. In that, we see about data frames, filtering, and aggregation. And then we cover NumPy. It is for numerical computations. In that, we see about arrays, indexing, and operations. And at the end, we will be doing some hands-on practice with some real-world datasets and a mini project. In order to do that, you need to follow these steps. So, how to follow this course? In this course, each topic will be covered step by step. So you just need to cover all the videos one by one. Those are short and focused videos. And then do some hands-on practice. Once you are done with practice, try some mini project to apply the concepts you learn. So go ahead and comment your experience in the comment box, whether you are a beginner or intermediate or an expert in programming. And also drop a comment. What is your goal for learning Python? In the next video, we will talk about who should take this course and what the skills you will be expecting by the end of this course. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.